What's up, YouTube? Shannon the Wise here, back with another review. Today, we got a little something special. The Naxa Spark True wireless headsets. So we're gonna see what it's about. We're gonna see how they sound, the comfort, and I'll do a review on these afterward. But I'm just gonna give y'all a quick little short review. So I wanna welcome y'all with a Wise Nation salute. If y'all ain't got no YouTube home, man, like y'all go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and come join the Wise Nation. So let's get on to it. Alright, here we go. Naxa Spark, the NE970 True wireless headsets. There y'all go, y'all can see that. Man, these things only 24 bucks. You know what I'm saying? It's a good price. So let's see if it's good quality. I've been hit or miss with Naxa, Some stuff is okay, some stuff just like, it ain't even worth it. But I ain't gonna recommend nothing that I wouldn't keep. So, it's true wireless. I got them on sale, 17 bucks. So, sometimes fries be coming through in the clutch with some good stuff. So for 17 bucks, I wanted to try it, I ain't got no sponsors or nothing, so I gotta get my own product. So let's crack these babies open real quick. Let's see. Okay, what come in it? We got some micro USB, so I'm pretty sure that's what that's for the charge case. Got a slick little charge case right here. Okay. This little slick is small, compact. Alright. And there your little tips. Little earbud tips. Now let's see if they charged up already. Okay. So I'm guessing you just hold on to these. Guess this the power buttons right here. Okay, let's see if we can find them. Okay. We pairing. Come on, let's get it. Hopefully they charged up. Right now, I don't think they charged up. So what we gonna do, we're gonna charge them up a quick second, and we'll be right back. Alright, we back and charged them up for a little bit. As you can see, the charging case was charged up. I don't know if you can see that. You got they're charging up in the case. A little power light. If you look real close, you can see the light going through the crack in the back. I guess that's the light in the front, let you know that the headset's charging. We ain't had them charging too long, but let's see what we can do. And as y'all know, I'm a big Note fan, so this is the Note 9. I can't wait to get that Note 10. Okay, I'm trying to find it. NE70. Damn. I think I just cut them off. It was just about to pair. Let's try this one more time. I'm gonna cut most of this out, man. We don't need to see all this pairing stuff. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Okay, they connected. Let's see. They got a nice snug fit. Now let's see how these babies sound. Yeah, not the best music quality, but I'm saying, paid 17 bucks for them, you know, it don't have that kick, you know, that kick to it. So let me see if I can get Lil Fury to call me, or I can call him to see how the sound is. Hey, Lil Fury. Hey, do me a favor and call my phone. Gotta use him every now and then. Let's see how the sound quality is. Come on, man. Turn it on speaker. Hello?
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Go stand over there and see how good you can hear me.
Hello?
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So I would definitely say he can hear me pretty well. So that's a plus. But as far as the music, I've heard some better ones. So I would give this, for the money, you need something to work out with, man, look, wait till you catch these on sale. The Naxa NE970s, that might be a good little workout thing for you. They're real light, they're real comfortable. And I mean, like I say, it just didn't have that big kick to it, you know, like some other, you know, normal Bluetooth headsets. There's True Wireless, you know, they're making them in small, compact, little units, so sometimes something gotta suffer. But in all, I say, man, it's a Wise Nation approval. Just don't look at it for spectacular. It is what it is. 17 bucks, decent sound. And if you pay full price, you get it for 24 bucks, which ain't bad either. There's a lot of Bluetooth headsets that you can't get for 24 bucks. So, like I say, man, y'all like this video, y'all want to see some more content, man, look, leave a comment down below. Like I said, bang, bang, bang that like button if you like the video. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, man. Show me some love, and let's grow. Shannon the Wise. I'm out.